Take a ride in the 2021 Lincoln Nautilus. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, power tilting steering wheel, compass. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.